welcome to Mixologist. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff to get through today, but the first drink that I'm making is a spiced pear fizz. I guess I should start by saying that the drinks for our December box were curated by a local distillery here in Portland, Oregon called Freeland Spirits. And so all four of the recipes that I'll be making today are from Freeland, which was just really awesome of them and very helpful. So this is their gin that I'll be using for the first recipe. And this first drink is a spiced pear fizz. And so I'll be building it in the glass, and then I'll, try to hold it up so you can see every step. Hopefully you can see enough. I can move the camera back. I think that might help. Unless it falls out of the thing. Okay, all right, so the first thing we need is pear juice. And so I just bought 100% pure, pear juice. And we need 0.75, so 3/4 of a shot or 3/4 ounce of pear juice. This might be interesting because this bottle is kind of huge. So let's see if I can do this in a nice way. So yeah, I got about 3/4 an ounce in here. I'm gonna pour that in here. Oh, I guess I did manage to make a mess anyway, but that's okay. All right, and then let me get a towel. Okay, the next ingredient is lemon juice, and so we need half an ounce, or 0.5, half shot of lemon juice. So I'm going to squeeze Mr. Lemon. Okay. And then because I use this instead of my normal squeezer, I'm actually going to measure it out and then strain it through a strainer so that we don't get any seeds or lemon bits in there. I'm gonna put half an ounce in here. And then I'm gonna strain it in through here. Beautiful. Cool. Okay. The next step is thyme syrup. So I made my own. I have no idea how this tastes. I haven't tried it yet, but this is my thyme syrup. And how you would make this yourself is to take sugar. I think I used about half a cup of sugar. You use an equal amount of water, so half a cup of water. And sorry, I can't open it. Apparently it got on there very well. And then thyme. Now I used like the thyme you would find in a spice bottle, which maybe isn't ideal. You probably want to use fresh thyme, but I think that it worked. We'll find out. So we need 0.75 thyme syrup. So again, that's 3/4 of a shot. And as you can see, this syrup is actually very thick, so I may have actually cooked it longer than I should have. Because normally the syrup will be more liquidy. So looks like I actually made syrup, but that's fine. So I'm gonna try to get as much of that in there as I can. And again, I hope it tastes okay because I honestly have no idea how that's going to taste. But it does smell like thyme, so. Okay, and then we need 5 to 7 drops of cardamom bitters. So I always put more in than I mean to, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. I probably put too much in, but that's okay. Now we need our gin. We need 2 ounces of gin. Probably should remove that tag because it keeps getting in the way, but that's okay. So, 2 ounces of gin. And it says 2 ounces of soda water. So admittedly, this glass is probably a bit big for the drink that I'm creating here, but that's okay. I think, you know, you could always serve it in something like this and just put ice in to cover up the rest of the space. I'm not gonna measure the soda water, I'm just gonna pour some in. Okay, and then what you'll wanna do, and you'll wanna have ice in this, but I'm leaving it out for now, but you'll wanna stir it. And I'm using a stirring spoon that comes with your normal shaker set. But you can also buy one from us on MissDeligist.com because we sell all the equipment separately. So if you just need one thing, you can buy one thing. That's probably enough stirring. Okay, let's try this. So again, this is a Spice Pear Fizz. It was created by Freeland Distillery, and I'm using their gin for this. And somehow a lemon seed got in. I'm not sure how, but anyway, let's try it. Ooh, it's very nice. It's really good. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. It's got, you can really taste the thyme is coming through, the cardamom is coming through, the pear is coming through. I can smell the gin. I didn't really get it in that first taste, but I still have thyme lingering on my tongue. Let's see. Yeah, that's really nice. I would say when you smell it, you smell the thyme, you smell the pear, you can smell the gin, you can't taste the gin. Really what I'm getting most of is the thyme syrup, which I think means that I did a pretty good job on that. And I can taste the pear juice and the cardamom, like I said. But I would say this is a really refreshing drink and really great for the colder weather because the pear and the cardamom just has a very warm feeling to it, if that makes sense. And I could see this being a really good after Thanksgiving drink. Like, you know, after the meal, you're really full, but you want something refreshing and something just comforting. And this is very much comforting. It's really quite nice. So, cheers.